The Virtuoso SDK is a XR software development kit for Unity that lets developers create XR experiences, and it focuses on device interoperability and naturalistic interactions.
Whether you are a business who is already doing XR, or a university researcher, or even a designer or artist who's interested in getting into XR, Virtuoso sort of lets you do all those different things.
Virtuoso achieves this by giving developers tools and systems that they need to integrate a wide variety of XR peripherals and systems, and also support naturalistic user interaction, so enabling people to interact in virtual environments with their hands as they would in the real world.
So when we first started developing Virtuoso, the XR device landscape was very fragmented. You had tons of devices from tons of different companies, and there was no easy way for a developer to make something and have it work with all of the devices out there. What makes Virtuoso different from other SDKs is that we provide support for types of devices that other SDKs don't, such as hand tracking systems or haptic systems. And additionally, Virtuoso is completely free and open source, because we believe that the basic building blocks of XR should be available to all developers. Virtuoso lets developers create XR experiences more quickly because it allows them to focus less on low-level things like device interoperability and more on high-level things like how is the user going to interact with the virtual environment.
We want it to be universal so that it can be used across developers, across platforms. The more formalized and standard the field is and the development practices are, the better for everyone.
One of the reasons Virtuoso exists is because we, as a research and development house, find ourselves solving the same problems over and over again. And for us, when you look across our XR portfolio, we actually saved a bunch of development cost in terms of reusing that software. It really saved a ton of time and effort, and in open sourcing it, that's one of the things we hope to do for other folks as well. So if you are trying to launch a new game and have an XR version of it, that can be really tough. I can't wait to log on to Steam or Epic or wherever and see how many games are going to end up using Virtuoso to provide that sort of cross-platform and cross-device interoperability.